Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Suzuki Swift, stock reference number 4703. This shape runs from the 9th month 2004 through to the 10th month 2011. There's an M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight. Bonnet appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy front bumper cover. Left-hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket Rodney Jane alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, faded on the top edge. Left front door, 3 small dents. Left rear door, 1 small dent. Left rear, Rodney Jane 15-inch alloy with a good tyre. Right rear, 15-inch Rodney Jane alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door, 2 small dents. Right front door, 1 small dent. Right power door mirror, faded on the top edge. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch Rodney Jane alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.